So the first exercise is going to be side plank slide, push up. We're doing 6 reps, alternating sides. Get ready and let's go. Side plank slide, push up. Other side. Push up. That's 2. 3. 4. 5. 6. Now you're gonna need the pull-up bar. So get up. And we're doing diagonal hanging knee raises. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Now you're gonna need your kettlebell. You're gonna grab the kettlebell with one hand, backward lunge, pass the kettlebell under your knee, grab the kettlebell handle with both hands, and pistol squat. All the way down, push off of your heel. And then switch legs. Step back, pass under, tense all of the muscles in the standing leg, and pistol squat, push off of the heel. That's 2. Switch legs. Focus. 3. Switch. 4. Switch legs. Pass under, chest up. 5. And last one. Push off of the heel. 6. Okay. Now, cardio exercise. We're gonna do step forward, step back, and jump tuck. That's 1. Forward, back, jump tuck. 2. Forward, back, jump tuck. 3. 4. 5. And 6. Now, let's take it from the beginning. Get down on the ground. Grab your dumbbells. Get into the plank, feet up on the sliders, and side plank slide. Push up. Other side. 2. 3. 4. 5. 6. Good job. Pull-up bar. Hanging diagonal knee raises. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and that's 6. Okay, you're gonna need your kettlebell. Grab the kettlebell by the edge of the handle. Now, large step back, pass under the knee, step forward, and pistol squat. And switch legs. Step back, pass under, pistol squat. That's 2. 3. 4. 5. Switch. And that's 6. Okay. bodyweight cardio. Large step forward, large step back, and jump tuck. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6,